creature has been retrieved by my partner, and I, Walter Hardwell White, will be commencing an autopsy procedure. And with my help, me and my partner will be recording this entire operation.
You found this in your backyard.
Yes, I did.
This isn't real.
Do you think we should report this to the government?
Remember what happened last time? The cops are not going to believe us, not after that witch story. I'm going to cut it open.
Oh, wait. Are you sure it's a good idea?
I mean, this is our only chance to cut open an alien from outer space.
Well, I can't just throw it away. It smells bad anyway.
You crazy?
Why you?
This is a one-in-a-lifetime chance. I'm not wasting it. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, the subject looks about 1.5 feet tall. Skeletal structure seems pretty normal. I'm gonna cut it open.
Be careful.
I know what I'm doing. I dissected a frog in 5th grade.
Oh, well, this is going to be any better. Yeah, sure.
Ooh.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Seems to have a pair of ribs.
Right. What else?
Yeah. Seems to have a respiratory structure and a heart.
Okay. So be careful.
Shut up.
Oh, duh. That's disgusting.
Write this down. It seems to have multiple digestive tracts. Whatever, I should probably be doing this with my hand.
Disgusting. You gotta be careful.
Seems to be the heart connected to the 2 respiratory systems.
Interesting. That's a strange reaction.
Large digestive tract with attachment to the colon. These are the big ones.
Oh boy.
The lungs.
Better be careful.
Ooh.
What is that supposed to be?
Lungs.
Oh. Ew.
Carries oxygen or who knows what throughout the body. Put this on the scale. Seems to be roughly 140 grams, minus the 70 grams on the bowl. That roughly results to 70 grams with the respiratory system.
Take it. Yep. Ew. Oh.
Seems to be a liver.
Okay, the liver.
This looks to be the stomach. Save this for later. The big reveal. It's like a gender reveal party. Alright. What do you have in there? Big head of yours. Look at that.
The brain?
Yep. Brain about the size, a medium-sized dog. Let's look at the rest of your head. I always hate these things. That an eyeball. Completely silver.
You might want to put that down because, like, something might happen, so please put it down now. Stop it now.
Lower jaw. 10 sets of teeth. Mainly made out of incisors and molars. Doesn't look to be vegetarian, maybe a carnivore or an omnivore. Judging by that, we can determine what's inside the stomach sac. Let's find that. Few
That's
chunks of meat.
it's meat, alright.
I don't know from what animal though. Is this really it? Oh, I feel something else. See something white. Maybe bones or
Why would a bone be that small? Is that?
a singular human molar. He's thinking a human.
Okay. First of all, that's disgusting. And second of all, I don't want to invest this in any more. So I'm gonna